5 fruits that increases your testosterone level naturally. 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Some studies suggest that pomegranate juice may help increase testosterone levels and improve overall sperm quality. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. By supporting overall health and well-being, blueberries may indirectly contribute to hormone balance. 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for the production of cortisol, a hormone that helps regulate testosterone levels. 4. Bananas. Bananas are a good source of potassium, vitamin B6, and magnesium. These nutrients are involved in testosterone production and can support overall hormonal health. 5. Avocado. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats. These fats are important for hormone production and may indirectly support testosterone production.